So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can click on the search. After that enter the model number B560M space DS3H and then hit enter. Then click on support. Click on product. Then you can see which one, this one. Just click on it. Then click on support. Select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So guys, first download the all driver. After that I'll show you how to install the audio driver, Realtek audio, and click to download. Then chipset, Intel INF installer, and click to download. CJ driver, just click to download. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. VGA and Intel graphic card driver, and just download same. Then in start downloading, just click to icon which is downloaded. You can see this. Then last completed, then show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then OK. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.